You don't need to know VBA or Visual Basic for applications to create macros in Excel. Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to automate repetitive tasks by simply recording your actions. No coding, no technical background, just click, record, and run. Let's get started. I'll show you how to do this. Suppose we have a table like this. I want to clear this part of table. And if you want to do it for many tables, similar tables, suppose it's a timesheet and you have to fill this sheet for every day and you need to clear them and do some other repetitive actions. You can do everything you want. I want to clear this part of worksheet. You can add some other actions as you wish. The method is the same. Only your desired actions can also be added to this trick. To do this, the first step is to go to View tab. And you can see that there is an option like this, macros. You can view macros if you have any other recorded or written macro previously. And you can select record macro. In this example, I will select the record macro because I just want to repeat something and record it. You can specify a name for your macro. I will write clear the cells and OK. Now it's recording and a stop icon is available here and you can push it after finishing your job. Now I'm going to select the range of data I want to clear. You can do it in every method you like. There's no difference in the coding. You will see the code afterward. You can select by mouse. You can select like this by keyboard, Control, Shift and down and whatever you want. And afterward, I will delete them like this. After pressing the stop button, the macro is ready. Let's check the code together. If you go to view macro and edit the clear the cells macro that I recorded before, now you can see the prepared code without knowing anything, any knowledge about VBA. The code is available here just by recording your actions, and you can see the range I've selected is written here, H3 to I3. And the other things that I don't want to explain because in this video I don't want to teach you VBA. So let's close the window. Now, if I write the same values or any other value here, let's copy some times I have written previously here to this area and value only. Now, if I select View tab, again, macro, view, and only run, you can see that this area is cleared. You can also create a button here to assign macro and do it without going to the menu of view, macros, view, and run. You can simply click on a button. Let's copy them again. You can create a shape, every kind of shape you like. I prefer a rectangle like this. You can write something on it, clear data. You can modify the format of the text as you wish. Yes, it's enough. If you right-click on the shape and choose Assign Macro, the list of macros are available here. By choosing the Clear the Cell macro and OK, you can see that it's now like a link. And if you just click on this button, the area is cleared easily. Suppose you have a big data and you want to repeat simple jobs many times. By doing only once and recording a macro, you can do it many times without wasting your time. I hope this trick is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any other question, you can write your questions as comments in this video. See you.